If you need to get a refund from Wise for a payment that has been processed, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth refund process. Step 1. Check the payment status. Before initiating a refund, log into your Wise account and check the status of the payment. If the payment is still pending, you may be able to cancel it instead of requesting a refund. Step 2. Access the Help Center. Visit the Wise Help Center on their website. This section contains valuable information regarding refunds and payment issues. Look for articles related to refunds to understand the specific policies. Step 3. Submit a refund request. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Provide necessary documentation. Attach any necessary documentation that supports your refund request. This may include receipts, transaction ID, or correspondence related to the payment. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid delays. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your request, keep an eye on your email for updates from Wise. If you do not receive a response within a few days, consider reaching out to their customer support for assistance. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate the refund process with Wise. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the support team for help.